Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to boost Telegram channel. So first things first, you have to open or launch your Telegram application and then the key to specific channel here. So for example, if you want to boost this channel, then what you're going to do is you have to tap on the channel's name above, click the pencil icon, and then scroll down till you see this statistics. Tap this one. Now you should see this options above, but what you're going to do is you have to scroll down below and then you should see the copy link. Okay, so you need to copy the link here for the boost. And then after that, once you have copied this link, you can now go back, go to your specific channel, and then paste this link. So once you have pasted this, press enter or send, click this link again. And then once you click this, and then it will take you back, but this time you can now choose the boost option right here, and then it's up to you if you want to upgrade your plan. So below here you can see also some levels and give you some ideas and information what are the things that you're about to unlock once you have upgraded or once you have reached these levels right here. Another way to boost your Telegram channel is by just going back, and then this time you have to tap on pencil icon again, scroll down till you see this analytics, scroll down again, and you should see this get boost via gifts. Click this one and just follow some instruction here in order for you to boost Telegram channel. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.